Boeing is clearly one of our most important customers, and it's one of our largest customers out on the West Coast. It's great to be able to have a relationship with a company like Boeing, which is clearly a leader in their industry. They continue to innovate and push the technological boundaries of their industry, and this project that we're here today to celebrate is a perfect example.
We're celebrating the successful completion of a very high-profile project within Boeing. It was executed in a record speed, and we were part of that execution. We were there on stream, on time.
It's important because first off, it's the largest autoclave that's ever been built in the world, and it's up here at this new advanced composite facility, and it brings together a lot of our key strengths at Air Products, such as our commercial technology group, our advanced systems group, our engineering group, our logistics group.
An autoclave is essentially a big pressure vessel. Wings are manufactured inside the facility. Then they go to a cure process, which is one of the final stages of the manufacturing process. Once the curing process is complete, the autoclave is evacuated from nitrogen, open, and the wing comes out, and it's ready to be attached to the airplane.
The part that we bring to the program is the advanced system we got here, the three 15,000-gallon tanks and the vaporization unit that we have on site here. Nitrogen, which is used in an autoclave, is strictly used as an inerting gas. We work collaboratively with Boeing in the design of this system to help ensure that our gases are used safely and used in the most judicious manner possible.
Part of the success of this project is Air Products has an extensive experience in the aerospace industry, with autoclaves in particular. As a matter of fact, in the last 3 years, we've executed 3 large autoclave projects with Boeing, this being the 3rd project. And we expect in the next 4 to 5 years to execute another 4 or 5 projects similar in scale. And I think Boeing appreciates the fact that we can bring certain knowledge and expertise to these installations.
Customers like Boeing can depend on Air Products really for 3 main reasons. First and foremost, it starts with safety. Safety is the most important aspect of the Air Products culture, and with companies and customers like Boeing, it resonates with them as well. Second, I would say, is reliability. You can see the scale of the facility behind me. Clearly, Boeing is doing some pretty sophisticated manufacturing, and they need to be able to focus on their operations and not worry about the supply of industrial gases. They're happy to leave it to key suppliers like Air Products, and they can count on us to be a reliable supplier. The third element I would stress is service. We pride ourselves on being more than just an industrial gas supplier, but a full supplier of solutions that, in partnering with a company like Boeing, we can work to make sure that their operations run better. We've been able to partner with them to deliver a project that everyone can be very proud of, both the Boeing side and Air Products.